I'm just not seeing it. I don't know how this could be implemented in a classroom.
What do you mean, Ryan? TED-Ed seems great to me. I could find a way to use it in all of my lessons. Think of all that content.
I agree. There's definitely some upsides. But I just can't stop thinking about the school budgets. Like, how many of these classrooms are outfitted with enough computers for this to make sense?
See, that's where I disagree with you, Ryan. I think TED-Ed has much more to the tool than meets the eye. There's options to create multiple choice questions in the video, and also a place to add additional resources to encourage further exploration.
I do agree. There is a lot of content on there. But what about some of these non-conventional classrooms? What about some of these specific topics that these classes talk about? Is there going to be anything for these?
I don't know, man. Even if a specific topic is unavailable on TED-Ed, there's still so many inspirational speakers and life lessons that can be learned. And how can you argue with something that's free?
You got me there. I do like free, but I think we have to take into consideration the accessibility for all students. Like, what about students with disabilities? So you think we're going to bring this into a classroom and someone that's hearing impaired is going to get involved in this?
True, but TED-Ed does have multiple contrasting colors and zoom abilities that may help someone with impaired sight.
So at the end of the day, I think the real question is TED Ed going to be useful for me or my classroom?
That is a great question, Ryan. Let's see what the class thinks about TED education. Please answer in the provided poll. Would you use TED Ed in your classroom? Yes or no?